Hey guys, it's Jason, founder of Jason Markk, and today we're here to talk about our suede cleaning kit. So this is the perfect duo to have when you're cleaning delicates such as suede, nubuck, canvas, cotton mesh, or knits. Perfect tools to have when you're cleaning these types of delicate materials. All right, so let's talk about what comes in our suede cleaning kit. This is really the classic duo, right? The suede brush and the rubber eraser. We've just made sure to craft ours with care and also source the highest quality material. Our suede brush is handcrafted beechwood. It's got these soft horse bristle hair, which is great for suede and nubuck. It's really great for delicates. What I love about our brush is that the handle allows, it's ergonomic. So when I'm reviving the nap of the suede and nubuck, it allows for a comfortable cleaning experience. All right, so let's talk about the eraser. It's made from 100% rubber, high quality, super underrated tool. So this is a great tool because the grip of the rubber actually helps to lift the dirt and stains out of suede and nubuck, and it also works great on midsoles as well. All right, so now I'm gonna demonstrate how to dry brush on these Yeezy Quantum basketball shoes. So the suede kit was designed to use dry. You don't wanna use any water or soap with this brush. And basically what you wanna do is just give it a good dry brush to get all the top layer dirt and dust off the material before you really go to clean the shoe. Otherwise, all that top layer dirt and dust may just seep deeper into the material, making the job a little bit more difficult to clean. All right. So I just want to show you really quickly what a quick dry brush can do. As you can see, this is the shoe that I just quickly dry brushed. Took me about a minute compared to the before and after. All right, so now I'm going to demonstrate how to use our rubber eraser on this pair of Vans Old School Bones by Blends. So you can see on this midsole, it's got some scuffs here, and it's pretty straightforward. You take the rubber eraser, the grip of the eraser will just lift these scuffs right off the midsole. So literally just erasing the scuffs, just like that. There you go. But you can get our suede cleaning kit at jasonmarkk.com or in store at select retailers. And be sure to follow us at jasonmarkk.